This is the Benjamin Trail NP XL Break Barrel Air Rifle. It's available in 177 caliber, 22, and 25. All feature a wood stock with a thumb hole grip and a ventilated rubber butt pad. And they have a Picatinny rail for mounting your favorite optic. And they come with a Centerpoint 39x40 AO scope with mounts. These guns do have sling mounts, and they're all powered by the Nitro piston power plant. This is a nitrogen-filled gas ram instead of a traditional coiled steel spring, and it delivers 70% less noise over the shot cycle than the leading competitor's break barrel rifle. And it also has less vibration and an easier cocking stroke. To operate the gun, you simply tap on the end of it to break it open, swing it down, insert a pellet, close it up, and you're ready to go. There's a lever safety located in front of the trigger. Flip it forward and you're hot. And it's a single shot gun. These guns are great for small game and medium-sized game, including turkey and coyotes. So go beyond the backyard with the Benjamin Trail NP XL.
Venom Hardwood from Crosman. It's a break barrel air rifle powered by Crosman's patented Nitro piston power plant. The Nitro Venom comes in two models that shoot either a 177 or a 22 caliber pellet. The rifle is equipped with a Picatinny rail to mount a Centerpoint 3-9x32mm scope, a precision rifled steel barrel with a fluted muzzle. The hardwood stock has a raised cheek piece and a modified beaver tail forearm, designed to promote the artillery shooting position. It's great for backyard target shooting, pest control, and small game hunting. Take it outside with a Nitro Venom Hardwood.
This is the Fury NP from Crosman. It's a 177 caliber break barrel featuring our Nitro piston technology. It shoots pellets up to 1,200 feet per second, delivering 18 foot-pounds of energy. Now this gun has fiber optic front and rear sights, and the rear sight is adjustable for windage and elevation. It has a rubber recoil pad and a textured synthetic stock. Now, the Nitro piston delivers a lot less recoil and a lot less noise than a standard traditional coiled steel spring. It's a lot easier to cock too. To cock it, you tap the end, break it open, then you swing it down, drop a pellet into the breech, and swing it closed. It's a single shot rifle, and the safety is located directly in front of the trigger. Flip it forward and the gun is hot. Move it rearward and the gun's on safe. Now, this gun is ideal for target shooting and small pest control. So pick up a Fury NP today and take it outside. This is the Optimus from Crosman. It's a 177 caliber spring-powered break barrel air rifle. It shoots alloy pellets up to 1,200 feet per second, lead pellets up to 1,000 feet per second, and is great for small game hunting, pest control, and target shooting. It features a rubber butt pad and a hardwood stock. And there's a lever safety just in front of the two-stage adjustable trigger. It does have a dovetail rail for mounting optics, and a Centerpoint 4x32 scope is included. It also has fiber optic front and rear sights, and those rear sights are fully adjustable for windage and elevation. Now to cock the Optimus, simply tap on the end of the gun, break it open, load your pellet, close it up, and you're ready to take it outside.
From Crosman. It's a pneumatic pump air rifle that shoots 177 caliber pellets or copperhead BBs. The air rifle is based on our tried and true 66 platform. The rifle features an adjustable synthetic stock for shooters 4 to 6 feet tall. This allows for a customizable length of pull. It also grows with youth shooters. An 18-shot BB magazine with a 200-shot reservoir. Also, a 5-shot firepower pellet clip. The rear sight is adjustable for elevation with a fixed blade fiber optic front sight. It also comes with a Crosman 4x15mm scope. It's great for backyard target shooting and pest control. Take it outside with the Crosman Recruit.